Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. TechFox, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a forgotten Instagram password using your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your preferred web browser and after that navigate to instagram.com. On the login screen, below the username and password fields, click on Forgot Password. And you will be prompted to enter your email address, phone number, or username associated with your Instagram account here. So normally provide your username, email, or phone. So here I'm gonna enter my email address. And click on this send login link. And you can see that an email to my email address has been sent. So normally I'm gonna open my email. So here you can see that Instagram has been sent a password reset link to my email address. So I'm gonna reset my password by clicking on this reset your password here. And here you will be redirected to a new page where you can enter a new password. So choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. So I'm gonna add my password here. And click on this reset password. And if you already turned on a two-step authentication or two-step verification, you have to provide your code here and click on this confirm button. Clicking on not now. And that's it. Here you can see that I have logged into my account. So if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel for more tech guides. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.